most cases when you're replacing flooring, the first step is going to be to remove the existing baseboard. The best way is to take a sharp razor blade and score it across the top and the bottom of the baseboard. If you're careful enough, you can manage to pull the baseboard off and be able to put it back on without having to touch up any of the paint. In this flooring install, I had to pull the toilet out and replace the wax seal. It's a pretty simple process, and I have a video that covers that, which I'll link right up above. So check that video out if you're doing this in a bathroom. The next step is to notch around any trim or vents or anything else that might get in the way that you have to notch the flooring around. This can be a little tedious, but I promise it's the most difficult part, and nothing else is that complicated on this whole flooring install. For more details on installing this type of flooring, I have a couple other videos where I installed it up in my entire upstairs, in the kitchen and everything. So I go over that in a lot more detail. So be sure to check that video. I'll link in the description as well as up above. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.